Welcome to the Windows Club. I am Karan and I'm here with a video to help those who encounter the error Windows cannot load the device driver for this hardware code 38. Whenever you try to connect external devices like printers, scanners and especially video cameras to your system, they push the driver software through the USB itself and try installing it automatically. If that doesn't happen, you can install the related driver software using an external media, or the driver could be downloaded from the manufacturer's website. But in certain cases, you might encounter the error Windows cannot load the driver for this hardware code 38. And code 38 has a description reference that a previous instance of the device driver is already installed and still in the memory. Now the main causes for this issue are that an obsolete version of the driver may already be installed on the system. Then the USB drivers themselves might not be updated. And the third cause could be that the third-party programs may be interfering with the installation. So let us resolve this problem in a sequential manner. First of all, press Windows plus R and type the command devmgmt.msc. Hit enter to open the device manager. Then check for the related software. For example, if it's a speaker, check the audio inputs and output section. If it's a video camera, check for the pre-installed device drivers for video cameras. If it's a monitor, check for the display adapters or monitor section, and so on. And uninstall the obsolete driver. The second case could be that the USB drivers are not updated. In this case, go to the Universal Serial Bus Controllers option and expand it in the device manager. Scroll down to USB root hub, right click on it and select update driver, and then click on search automatically. Make sure that you restart the computer in case the driver had to be updated. The last case is that some third-party programs may be interfering with the installation. To isolate this possibility, reboot your system in clean boot state. To do so, press Windows plus R to open the run window. Then type the command msconfig and hit enter. Go to the Services tab and check the box associated with Hide all Microsoft services, and then click on Disable all. In case anything has been enabled already, click on Disable all. Doing this will disable every startup service on the system except for those associated with Microsoft. Click on Apply and then on OK, and then restart the system. This would launch your system in the clean boot state and you may not probably encounter the error in discussion. If it still persists, go to the original article on the Windows Club and scroll down to the comment section. Write your query and we will surely respond to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.